Alrighty, so here I am in my dining room, as you can see. Now, why am I in my dining room? Because, well, this is a little different video today for part 6. It is I'm going to modify this sound kit. As you can see, I brought it with me. ESS dual sound kit. You already saw it on the previous videos that I already installed it right in here on the back of the truck. So today, gonna do some modifying. First I'm gonna do is remove the body and remove the receiver box, which is in this machine. So I'll do that right now. So let me just remove the body. There we go. So easy to take it on and off because it's Velcro. Alright, and take my screwdriver right here and remove three screws. Hope it's the right size. Yep, it is. Okay, I'm doing one screw. Okay, boys. As you can see, the receiver box is already off. Here's the cover right here. So this is how it was ripped in half. So literally, everything's all full, as you can see. So I need to figure out which one is the sound kit. Now I'm thinking this wire right here is the sound kit. So what I need to do, I need to unplug this, and there's a little USB. Show you that later, and it plugs it right into the computer. So I need to do that right now. And oh, my computer's turned off. So yeah, I'll do that right now. So hold on. Okay, boys, here we go. This, I found the plug, so I was right. This is for the sound kit. I've already tested it. I'll see if it was correct, and it is. So now I'm going to do, here's the USB I was talking about. Sensivations S-Link. So this is when you can download all kinds of sounds to this device. So I'm going to plug it to the throttle input, which is here. Plug that into right in here. This hole right there, as you can see, and then this end here goes into the computer. A little confusing, but you'll see what I mean. So hold on. Okay, as you can tell right now, this looks a little bit awkward, but as you can see, this is the throttle input I was talking about. There's white, black, and red, and it goes right into here, which is the S-Link, and then it goes right into the computer USB port. So now on my computer, and I'm going to go to the RC Plus. This is the software that comes with the Sense Innovations website. So just gotta wait till that loads. Yes. Just gotta come up with a logo. There we go. Alright, and check this out, guys. No login required now. All sounds are free. That's a bonus right there. Okay, so, oh, I actually already did modify this, but I'm gonna do something real quick. Delete. Okay, so this website, as you can see, it's got all kinds of sounds in the store. So the store, as you can pick whatever sound you like, or you can go to the local sounds that's already installed on your computer. Right here. So I see I got a bunch of them here. And what I want is, I want to have a sound that is an old V8 gas engine and an old V8 diesel engine. So hopefully I can find that. I did found one, where is it now? Local sounds. It's in here somewhere. I know I downloaded it. I think it's this one. The Camaro Sports. Now you might be thinking this is a car engine, but really, to me, sounds like it's a truck engine. So have a listen to this closely. Lose my volume. There we go, got some volume. Okay, here we go, listen. That sounds pretty good. Does have a starting motor, does have an idle and a throttle, and it shuts it off too. So I think that's a really good sound for this truck. So I'm going to install that right now, and hopefully it will sound good on the sound kit. So let's see. 1 or 2, let's go with 1. 1 is gas, so let's go right to sound. That's really it. Easy. If you ever want to do this at home, this is how you do it. So the only thing you gotta do is just download it from the store, and then you just basically install it. It'll change from download to install, then all you gotta do is install it. So now if I go back to the Sense ESS Dual, there it is, Camaro Responsive Sports. It's already default. So let's see what we have here. Original brake, I don't really need that. Let's turn that off, because the brake sound effect sounds like it's been running on a car, but really this is like an off-road truck, so I don't really need to hear like a squeaky noise sound. I don't really need to hear that. There's a turbo, as you can see here, and a sound, a custom sound. For me, there's no auxiliary for on this truck, which really sucks. But that's okay. So have a listen to this. I already installed this already. Sense Turbo 14. Let's have a listen. That is a turbo. It sounds okay, but I don't really need a turbo, to be honest. So as you can see, it's already got deleted already. So I think that's really it. I don't really need a turbo on this because this is an old truck, so I don't really need a turbo, because the turbo for me sounds like it's on a car or something, but yeah, anyways, let's move on to the second sound. Let's see what we have. I did install this one here, which is another old V8, but I want a diesel, but I know this is not a diesel, but just have a listen to this. See, it's a gas too, it's not a diesel. That sounds okay, but I don't like the revving noise, so I'm gonna delete that because I don't really need that. Oh, what's this? Brake. I don't need a brake. Why is that on there? Turbo. Don't need that. Delete it. Know that installed. I know that. Okay, let's find a diesel car. No, diesel engine sound I wanted. I did found one in tow truck area, and here's another diesel one. It's a V8, 730 horsepower and 258 pounds. But that is not 258 pounds. I'll tell you that right now. That is less than that. But let's just have a listen to this. That's a diesel. No, I don't think so. I don't think that sounds right. That's not what I wanted. Let's see. How about this one? Let's try it. Nah. What about this one? V8. That sounds more like a big rig, I would say. What else we have? I think that's really it. That's very disappointing. I wish they had more diesel options on there, but I don't know. So anyways, by the way, I'm just gonna do this off camera and have a listen to the final sounds on this truck. So be right back, boys. Okay, everybody, I have finished figuring out what sounds I picked. So here's the sound number 1, it's a gas. Take a look around. Sounds pretty good. Now let's see what it sounds like. I need to pick it up so you can hear what it sounds like. Oh, I messed up my carpet. Sounds pretty good. That was awesome. Oh, and start off. Right, and second sound, I'll do that right now. Okay, boys. Second sound is the diesel. This is the only one I can find because I couldn't find any other diesels, so this is the one I found. Listen. Man, that sounds heavy duty. Yeah, I'm gonna disconnect the motor. Actually, no, I can't do it. Never mind. Alright, let's into the engine and when I rev it up a couple times. That sounds awesome right there. I added a turbo because obviously diesels have a turbo, so that's why I put it on there. Let's see. Pretty soon I'll get into the inside and drive in there and stuff. Oh, there we go, start off. Man, that sounds so awesome. The diesel in it. But I like both of them. So yeah, what do you guys think of that? I think it's pretty good. Like I love it. So yeah, I already talked away the wires and everything, so now it's good to go, and now it's ready to hit the trail. So yeah, all the upgrades and stuff, that'll be in a separate video. So yeah, that's really it for this video. It's programming the Sense Innovations ESS Dual. It's in there. It's hidden in there, but yeah. So that's basically it. I finished my project of this pickup truck. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good. Call my buddy, says it's pretty awesome, and I agree with them. So yeah, now it's time to hit the trail. So yeah, I'll do some upgrades with this truck, and I'll show you guys what I did. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye guys.